For sale, 1969 912 Porsche. Solid Southern California car from day one. Engine runs. The car is not a daily driver. The MiniLite wheels were painted today. Look much better. This is the original color of the car when it was brand new. Receipts from 4 years ago totaling over $8,000. Parts and labor. Here is one page of the receipts. Price is $30,000, located in Southern California. Call or text for more pictures, 714-757-8437. My name is Ron. Original black and gold California license plates from 1969. Solid floor pans. MiniLites made in England. Mileage is 55,000 miles. Probably original miles. I can't guarantee it. I'm not a Porsche expert, I'm a Mustang expert. It's got the toolkit, jack, and owner's manual. Engine ID stamp. Could be the original engine. I don't know how to figure that out. Call me if you have any questions or text me. Thank you.